Understanding 24/7 availability. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you've probably heard a lot but might not fully understand. 24/7 availability. This phrase is a key part of modern life, especially in businesses and services. Let's unravel its meaning and usage together, ensuring you can confidently use it in your English conversations. 24/7 is a shorthand notation that stands for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It signifies continuous operation or availability, without any breaks or closures. This concept is crucial in a world where people expect services and information to be accessible at all times. Whether it's a convenience store, customer support, or online services, 24/7 represents a commitment to be always there for you. In our fast-paced world, 24/7 availability has become more than a convenience, it's often an expectation. This constant availability allows people to access services and support whenever they need it, regardless of time zones or schedules. It's particularly important for emergency services, healthcare, and digital platforms where users expect real-time responses and assistance. Customer support. Many companies offer 24/7 customer service to help with any issues at any time. Online services. Websites and apps, like streaming platforms and online stores, operate 24/7, allowing access to entertainment and shopping anytime. Emergency services. Essential services such as hospitals and police are always available to respond to emergencies. Our online help desk is available 24/7 to assist you with any queries. I love this convenience store. It's open 24/7, so I can shop whenever I want. The best part about online streaming services is their 24/7 availability, allowing you to watch your favorite shows anytime. Understanding the phrase 24/7 availability enriches your English vocabulary and helps you communicate more effectively about continuous services and support. It's a testament to our non-stop world, where businesses and services strive to meet the needs of their customers around the clock. We hope this video has shed light on this ubiquitous term. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful English language tips. Stay tuned.